Namaste, this is Anag. Today we are going to recall the map of India since it has been updated to 28 states and 8 union territories. First, let me ask you a question. How many states and union territories were there before the year 2000? So, we'll start from that. Before the year 2000, there were 25 states and 7 UTs. Okay, so first we will look at these 25 states and 7 UTs. Okay, we will look at UTs afterwards. First we look at the states, how they were, the number of states changed over years. So first 25 states. Coming to the map, we start from Andhra Pradesh. This is Andhra Pradesh. So we are looking at the map before 2000, okay, before the year 2000. This is Andhra Pradesh, AP. Now let us point out the midpoint of the west coast. We consider it from here. So the midpoint of west coast is over here, this one. So as you can see, the borders are already drawn. This is to get a clear idea of the states. Okay. Now also we find a leaf shaped state in the south of that midpoint. This is Kerala, and this midpoint we have found is Goa. Okay, 3 states we have found. So now we mark 2 lines from Goa and Kerala. We join this with Andhra Pradesh to get Tamil Nadu, right? And we join this 2 with Andhra Pradesh and get Karnataka. Alright, South Indian states completed. Now we will locate the mid state of India, the central state of India. This is Madhya Pradesh. Its name itself suggests that it is the central state of India, Madhya Pradesh. Right? The borders are already drawn. I am drawing over the borders to get a clear idea. Okay, so this is Madhya Pradesh, MP. Now we will join this. By joining like that, we get Maharashtra. Okay, and also by joining this, we get Gujarat. Right. Now coming to North India, here sketch. Right, here we draw an imaginary triangle like this. Alright, this is an imaginary triangle we are drawing. So this triangle passes through 3 states. It passes through 3 states. They are this one, and this one. Alright, so this is H, this is P, and this is HP. So HP, HP. H for Haryana, P for Punjab, and HP for Himachal Pradesh. Okay, so we find this by drawing an imaginary triangle, easy to remember. So above Himachal Pradesh we find Jammu and Kashmir. Right, now by joining this we get Rajasthan, which is the largest Indian state, right? And by joining this we get Uttar Pradesh, which is the most populous Indian state. Okay, now coming to this area, this part is known as the Chicken Neck Corridor or Siliguri Corridor. This corridor connects India with the remaining 8 northeast frontier states. It connects these 8 states with India total part. So this Chicken Neck Corridor is present in this state. It is West Bengal. Chicken Neck Corridor is present in West Bengal. Is it visible? Right? Okay. This is glass board, so yeah. Okay. So now we join this, and here we get Odisha. Okay, or Orissa at that time. And the remaining part here, this one is Bihar. Right. Now coming to the northeast India. Here this land is known as the land of 7 sisters, because here we find 7 states which are interdependent on each other. Okay, before looking at those 7 sisters, we look at the only brother of these 7 sisters, that is here. This one, it is Sikkim. Sikkim is known as the only brother of these 7 sisters. Alright, now let me ask you a question. How do you greet people? You say namaste. Now how can you greet people in Sanskrit? You say namami. Okay, so namami, this is Sanskrit word for namaste. Namami. We use this word, this Sanskrit word, to recognize, to remember 3 states from this northeast frontier territory. Na, ma, mi. 3 states. So first one, na for Nagaland. This one, ma for Manipur, and mi for Mizoram. Namami, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. Then we find the state which is the easternmost state of India. This is Arunachal Pradesh. This is a state of India which receives the first sunlight, as it is located in the easternmost part of India, here. Right? So next we come to this, we join this and we get Tripura. And do you know which state receives the highest rainfall in the world? It contains the wettest places in whole the world. It is this one, Meghalaya. Meghalaya contains the wettest places in the world, like Cherrapunji, Mawsynram, etc. Now the remaining part is Assam. Right? So 7 sisters, the only brother of 7 sisters. Right, so we have completed the 25 states which existed before the year 2000. Okay, now what happened in the year 2000? In the year 2000, these 25 states became 28. 3 more states were added to the state list and these union territories remained the same. Okay, now what are these 3 new states that were added? Now let's look at them. Coming to the map, we find that the 26th state, there were already 25 states. The 26th state is this one, it is Chhattisgarh. It is separated, it was separated from Madhya Pradesh in the year 2000, that is 1st November 2000. So Chhattisgarh is the 26th state. Coming to the 27th state, it is this one, separated from Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand. This was separated from Uttar Pradesh in November 9th, 2000. And next, this state, it is the 28th state of India. It was separated from Bihar. It is Jharkhand. It was separated from Bihar on 15th November 2000. Alright, so what are the 3 new states? Chhattisgarh, 26th state, Uttarakhand, 27th state, and Jharkhand, 28th state. Alright, so 28 states we have completed. These are the 28 states. Coming to moving forward, coming to 2014. In 2014, these 28 states became 29 and union territories as it was. So this 28 states, another state was added to the state list in the year 2014. That is this one. This is the 29th state of India, that is Telangana state. It was separated from Andhra Pradesh on 2nd June 2014. Alright, so currently, in 2014, from 2014, we had 29 states and 7 union territories. Okay, so these are the 29 states and 7 union territories. Coming to in 2019, these 29 states became 28 again and 2 more union territories were added. That means one state which was among these 29, it was removed and divided into 2 and those 2 became union territories. Now what is that state? It is Jammu and Kashmir. It was divided into 2 and it became 2 union territories. So we will discuss union territories later and we will see that at that time. So 28 states currently. So Jammu and Kashmir is not a state. Okay. Then in 2020, just an year later, we find that there are 28 states and 8 union territories. Now what is that union territory which reduced. It is actually not reduced, but two union territories merged into one. That means one union territory got less. Okay, so these are the states, 28 states excluding Jammu and Kashmir. These. Okay, now let us look at the union territories. These were the states. We look at the union territories now. Okay, so first, as we can see, until before 2019 there were 7 union territories. Now what are they? First we'll start from the island, like this. This is Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then coming to here we find Lakshadweep Islands. Then here we find Pondicherry or Puducherry. In Gujarat we find Daman and Diu. Here we find Dadra, Nagar and Haveli. And yeah, here we find Chhattisgarh, Chandigarh. Okay, this is Chhattisgarh, the state, and this is Chandigarh, the union territory. Now coming to this one, the capital city of India, New Delhi. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 union territories. Now what happened in 2019? Jammu and Kashmir was excluded from the state list and it became 2 union territories. Now what are they? One is Jammu and Kashmir itself and the other is Ladakh. Okay. So Jammu and Kashmir became a union territory. Okay, the blue ones are union territories excluding this triangle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It became 9, including this Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So 9 union territories. Now later in 2020 it became 8. That means coming to here, this was Daman and Diu, this was Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Okay. Now in the year 2020 these both were merged. So this is Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Quite a big name. So these 2 union territories became 1. So 9 became 8 now. So currently there are 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay. So these are the states and union territories. Now let us look at their capital cities. Capital cities of these 28 states and 8 union territories. First, states. We begin from South India. Here Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Karnataka, Bangalore, Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Telangana, Hyderabad, Goa, Panaji, Maharashtra, Mumbai, then here Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, West Bengal, Kolkata, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Bihar, Patna, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Rajasthan, Jaipur, and here the triangle, Haryana and Punjab. Both of them have a same capital city, that is Chandigarh, and Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, and the states here, Sikkim, Gangtok, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Meghalaya, Shillong, Nagaland, Kohima, Manipur, Imphal, Mizoram, Aizawl, Tripura, Agartala. So yes, we have completed the states. Now let us look at the capital cities of union territories. 8 union territories. First, Andaman and Nicobar, Port Blair, Lakshadweep, Kavaratti, here Pondicherry, the name, Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, it is Daman, and Chandigarh, Delhi, New Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir. Similar to the state Jammu and Kashmir, here also the union territory, it has Srinagar as its capital city in the summer and Jammu as its capital city in the winter. Okay. Then Ladakh, Leh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Yeah, Chandigarh 8. So yes, we have completed the capital cities of states and union territories also. Thank you.